In this Python coding demo, we are going to learn about variable assignment and f strings. Basically, we assign values to variables in Python, and for that we have to first declare a variable name. For example, we can say name is a variable, and then we can assign a value to it. So there are different data types. For example, we can take a string data type in quotes, double quotes, or even in single quotes, it should be fine. So what this statement means is the value John, which is a string data type, is assigned to the variable name. Similarly, for any number, let's say the variable name is number, and I'm going to assign a integer value 10. That means the value 10 is assigned to this variable called number. And just like integers, we can take a floating point data type. Let's say we take a variable float underscore number. So we can use underscore as a logical separator in a variable, and we should by convention declare the variable in lowercase. Let's say float number is equal to 3.14. This is another variable assignment and for a float data type. And then we also have a Boolean data type in Python. So let's define a variable called flag and assign the value true or false, whatever we want. Here I'm assigning true. So this is how we assign values to variables. Now we would want to print these values. So for that we have a print function. And if we just say print name, this is going to print the value which is assigned to the variable name. So currently we had John in name, so it printed John. If I assign a different value, say Joe, this is going to print Joe. So just printing the variable name, we just give the variable inside print. But suppose we want to print something like hello Joe, and we actually pass a variable name. So if we say hello name, it's not going to print the value of the name because it is considering this as a string. So it was just going to print hello name. So how do we print the value of the name inside a string? So for that we have to use f strings. That is, we put an f before the start of the string, and after that we can put the variable name inside curly brackets. So by these curly braces, Python understands that whatever is inside these braces, that is a variable, and I have to print the value of that variable. So when I write it like this, f string hello curly braces name, it is going to print hello Joe. See. So this is how we use f strings to use the value of a variable inside a string. We can also, in similar way, we can print the value of number. So let's say inside the f string we can print the value of number is, now we want to print the actual value, so we use curly braces and then put the variable name. So this print statement is going to print the value of number is 10. So this is how we use f strings to print out the actual values of variables inside strings. So that is all for this tutorial. In this video we covered assigning values to variables and printing those values inside a string by using the f string concept. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.